Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. For today's lesson, you can refer to your Superminds book, page 108 and 109. Let's start now. Do you still remember the previous lesson? I hope you do. If not, let me help you. Let's recall previous lesson by singing this song.
Let's go to the beach. Let's look for shells. Let's play in the sand. Let's run hand in hand. Let's go to the beach. Let's look for shells. Let's play in the sand. Let's run hand in hand. Happy holiday. Happy holiday for you and me. Let's take a photo. Let's catch a fish. Let's swim in the sea. 1, 2, 3. Let's take a photo. Let's catch a fish. Let's swim in the sea. 1, 2, 3. Happy holiday. Happy holiday for you and me. For you and me.
I hope you have so much fun singing the song. Now, let's number the pictures together. 1. Let's go to the beach. 2. Let's look for shells. 3. Let's play in the sand. 4. Let's run hand in hand. 5. Let's take a photo. 6. Let's catch a fish. 7. Let's swim in the sea. I hope everybody get it right. So for today, I'm going to teach you how to use question words where's and where are. Where is used to ask about places. I'm going to give you some examples in this lesson. Where is the kite? Or you can say, where's the kite? So what's the difference between where is and where's? When you combine the word where and is, it becomes where's. It's a contraction. Now let's look at the answer. Where's the kite? It's flying in the sky. Let me explain to you a little bit further. Where's or where is in singular form, so it's used for one object. So the answer must be in singular form too. When you combine it and is, it becomes its. Its is also in singular form, means one. A singular object like a shell, a fish, and a kite. Now let's look at an example. Where's the shell? Where's the shell? It's on the sandcastle. It's on the sandcastle. Now let's look at where are. Where is a plural form and is used for objects more than one. So the answer must be in plural form too. You can use there or there. The word there and are, it combines and make the word there. Objects such as shells, fishes, and kites are plural because they are more than one. Now let me give you an example. Where are the kites? Where are the kites? The kites are more than one. So the answer is there in the blue toy box. There in the blue toy box. So it's also in plural form. Now don't forget, children, the question word where's and the answer it's are in singular form, while where are and the answer there are in plural form. I hope you understand. Now it's time for us to play the question game. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1. Where's the blue book? Where's the blue book? It's in the green bag. It's in the green bag. Now, question 2. Where are the orange books? Where are the orange books? They're in the black bag. They're in the black bag. Now, final question. Where are the green books? Where are the green books? They're in the pink bag. They're in the pink bag. Well done, everyone. That's all for today, children. I hope you enjoy our lesson today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.